At Pratesis, we believe in moving forward with technology. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant idea, it is here, shaping the way we live and work. At Pratesis, we are stepping into this journey with purpose and determination. AI is developing at an unprecedented pace. It is not a matter of if we adopt it, but how fast we can make it a part of our DNA. That is why we began our journey with simple but impactful applications. We started with generating meeting minutes, summarizing reports, and acting as a partner in brainstorming. Our operations team no longer wastes time writing meeting notes manually. The project team can prepare reports more easily. Even HC benefits because meeting information is organized and shared quickly. Then, while internally we explored simple tasks, in our product we took a bigger leap. In Silla-X, our trade promotion management system, we are working on a project to use machine learning for campaign scoring and campaign optimization, giving recommendations that will help our clients run more effective promotions. This TPM project is ongoing and is planned to be completed in early 2026. Looking ahead, Silla-X will also bring dynamic pricing capabilities, enabling smarter, data-driven decisions that adapt in real time. Beyond our product development, we also apply AI to improve how we work internally. We have built an AI-powered chatbot for product and service inquiries. Next, in Q4 2025, AI takes an even bigger role, acting as a support assistant for our service desk team. It helps agents find answers faster, so customers get accurate responses while the team focuses on technical tasks. After improving efficiency in our service desk, we also brought AI into our creative work. In marketing, AI helps us generate hooks, blog articles, social media posts, and even video drafts. Here, AI acts as our content writer, helping the team create faster, so ideas flow quickly and campaigns launch more consistently. After enhancing creativity in our marketing, we moved further, exploring AI agents that can connect systems and automate workflows without human intervention. These agents make our processes more seamless, helping IT and operations by automating routine tasks so they can focus on higher-level problem-solving and innovation. From starting simple with meeting notes and reports, to applying machine learning in Silla-X, to improving our service desk and marketing teams, and now exploring AI agents for automation, every step shows how AI is transforming Pratesis. And this journey is only just beginning. As we continue building smarter solutions, stronger teams, and better service for our customers. This is our AI journey.